Has another parent ever gotten mad at you for saying no to their child? I was shopping for a Barbie for my niece's birthday. I managed to get the last one thanks to a helpful store employee. Just as I was about to leave, a little girl ran up yelling, "Mommy, that's the Barbie!" The employee explained that it was the last one and wouldn't be restocked for a few days. The mother turned to me and asked, "Can we have it?" I politely said no, explaining it was a gift for my niece. The child immediately started wailing. The mother tried again. "She's really upset. Please?" I refused again and walked away, but she followed me, loudly announcing to the store that I had made her daughter cry. At this point, people were staring. She then switched tactics and started begging me for it. I told her she was being rude, and if she wanted to keep yelling, she was welcome to. Other customers had taken notice. Finally, one older man nearby chuckled and said, "Lady, you sound like you need a doll yourself." The store burst into laughter, and she turned red before storming